Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an unboxing video of this Turbo Racing 3-channel 2.4 gigahertz remote control transmitter and receiver. As you can see, there's actually 3 different models. The P30 model is the push button one right here. That's the one we're going to be unboxing. The P31 has dials and the P32 has a screen. If I like what's inside the box, I'm going to try to get the other 2. If you'd like me to unbox more affordable electronics, please give this video a like and leave in the comment section if you have any suggestions. I got this on eBay a few days ago for $26.16 and free shipping. That's pretty good for a transmitter receiver combo. I know what you're thinking. For that price, this must be shipped out of China and it's going to take me 3 months to get it. I was really surprised. The seller's listed location was only 10 miles away from where I live. So I thought I'd give it a try. For that price, I'm willing to wait a little bit. But it turns out they were really in that city. They shipped it out quickly. I bought it on the 8th and I received it in the mail on the 12th. So only 4 days for shipping. And the 8th was actually a Saturday. So it really only took 2 business days. So with all that said, even at a good price and fast shipping, it's meaningless if this is not a reliable system that you trust to put on one of your RC cars. I have a special budget project I'm going to use this on in the next series, so look for that real soon. As with all my unboxing videos, let's look at the box first. We'll open it, take a look at the unit, then we'll also review the manual inside. Let's start by taking a look at the front. So 2.4 gigahertz VT system compatible, 3-channel, 4-channel, LCD display. So these features are for any one of these units. Well, specifically, the screen would only be for this one. We have throttle dual rate, steering trim, low voltage warning, integrated failsafe. We're going to test that. Uses 4 AAA batteries. I wonder if it's included in the box. We'll find out. And the effective range is 120 meters. And that's just a little bit over 390 feet. Let's take a look at the other side. So again, we have the P30 version. The handle is removable. That's why it came in such a small box. Button version, convenience manipulation. That's the one I got. Knob version, convenience manipulation again. That's going to be this one right here, P31. Large LCD display shows all settings and datas. That's going to be P32, which is this one right here. And it does come in 7 colors: black, light yellow, orange, purple, mint green, light blue, and blue. Of course, I got the black. That's the only one the seller had. Let's take a look at the technical data. Operating voltage of the transmitter 4.8 to 6 volts. 2 infinitely variable fully proportional channels. Servo reverse for both channels. Trimming function for throttle and steering. Dual rate for both channels. EPA, endpoint adjustments, limits the servo travel. ABS function, anti-brake system, intermittent brake. I never use that. EXP function, exponential. SVC gyroscope switch. I don't think this is the one with the gyroscope receiver. Built-in failsafe. Battery status display via LED. Power supply of the receiver up to 11 volts without a BEC. So I'm guessing you can use a 3S battery safely with this receiver. So here it actually lists 5 models. I'm guessing these 2 are more advanced models. It's 3 channels, 137 by 68 by 162 millimeters. The weight is 129 grams and it can operate at 4.8 to 6 volts. The P31 and the P32 are almost identical. They're each just a little bit heavier. All right, we're done with that side. We're done with the box. Let's take a look. The company that produces this is the Newstone Technology Company Limited. And they do have a website, turboracinghobby.com. Of course, it's made in China. Okay, I think it's time to open this. I have not seen what's inside. I want it to be a surprise myself. There's still 2 pieces of tape right here. So let me open it up. Okay, there is a manual here. It's encouraging. Looks like this side is all in Chinese and this side is on English. We'll take a look at that. Okay, this is the handle. This is the actual transmitter unit. And this is the receiver. You can take a closer look at the receiver. It's supposed to be waterproof. And it says SW here. I wonder if this is a switch or some kind of bind button. We'll find out. And there's the LED right here. And it's channel 1, 2, 3, and 4. It feels solid. It doesn't feel super cheap. You know, I think it's fine for what my purpose is. I have 4 AAA batteries right here. If you don't, you'll probably have to go pillage some remote controls around the house. So let's take a look at the handle. That's how that opens. So it looks like it's going to be here. There is a diagram here for the battery orientation. Okay, that's ready. And then the head unit, if you notice, these are the terminal points that will match up with the battery handle. So again, this is not an expensive plastic. It doesn't feel cheap. I don't know how strong this would be if you drop this, but it feels pretty decent. And all we're going to do, I'm guessing, is just to slide this on. Okay. It's very light, as you'd expect. Feels okay. It's pretty ergonomic. Let me see if I can reach. Uh-oh. Let me see. Okay. I'm having a hard time reaching reverse. Okay, so it's fine. There's a little bump here that's a little bit awkward. Kind of gets in the way of my index finger, but I'm able to manage. The wheel doesn't have a lot of travel. Again, that's fine. This is a budget transmitter. Let's take a look at all the buttons. So you have the on and off switch right here. It does work. You have the throttle trim on this side, plus or minus. You have the steering trim on this side, plus and minus. It says you can reverse the steering and the throttle. We'll test that. And then there's the channel 3 activation button. So if your car has anything that's just on and off, like headlights, you can use this channel 3 button to operate that. So I think this is a neat little unit. It's pretty compact. Certainly looks better than some of the ones that come with the ready to runs. Let's take a look at the manual. All right, the font's kind of small. I had to go get my glasses. So here's some specifications. Here's the measurements and dimensions of the transmitter and the receiver. Let's take a look at this warranty. I think that's important. Basically, it's saying if you use it properly, it has a 30-day warranty. Good enough. It says right here the steering wheel is reversible for left-handers. And go to their website for more information. Let me just see if I can figure it out. You know, if you're curious, you can go online to their website and see how that's done. The rest of this shows you where the buttons are and how to operate them, such as how to use the EPA, the trim, reverse the steering or throttle. Looks like some of these buttons are multifunctional. So I'll leave that until we can actually test this in the next video. Let's see down here. Just the diagram how to disassemble and put the unit together. Pretty simple. Battery installation. I think we figured that one out already. This part talks about the receiver. And this is a diagram of how the receiver works with the ESC and the servo. There's instruction on how to bind the receiver and the transmitter. I think that's important. And then the operation itself. Forward, neutral, brake, slow down. And then left and right, obviously. There's a paragraph here for how to set up the failsafe function. And then just some cautions and general care information. So this New Stone Technology company does have a English language website. And from that, it looks like they do specialize in remote control cars. They have transmitter and receivers, electronic speed controls, servos, LED light kits. There's even a tab for car, but there's nothing on that webpage. The contact us form, as you can see, does have a phone number. There's an email address here. And I'll reach out to this company to see how long it takes them to respond and how good their customer service is. I'm actually looking forward to using this. I do have a project coming up. You'll see it in the unboxing video very soon. As soon as I hook this up to a car, I'll make another video how well this system works, tell you what I think about it, and if I think this is worth the money. I love making unboxing videos. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments below, especially inexpensive electronics like this one. So thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.